No, you know what I'm gonna do with this? I'm gonna sell this one. I'm gonna put it on there. Believe it or not, the mother
What do you want?
of these 4 children is not in Milledgeville.
I meant.
Don't you
You
think?
gonna turn that thing off?
Don't you think that's a good idea?
Did you turn the thing off?
Yeah,
Turn it off.
I did.
No, you didn't. You tell a lie. Yeah. Yeah.
Mom,
Look at your brother.
Mom,
Good idea.
Mom. What the?
He's got What's going on in here?
It's too late.
Alright
We've
now.
gone too far.
No, it's not too late. You can sit on me.
No.
You can't sit second hand, Bobby. Oh shit.